Yes, exercise 8.1, question number 1. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3 ratio 5 ratio 9 ratio 13. Find all the angles of quadrilateral. Okay, see what is given. Ratios are given to you 3 ratio 5 ratio 9 ratio 13. Okay, then what will be angles? Angles, you for getting the angles you take one constant value, that is x. Then angles will be 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x. This is looking like this. Okay. Then all four angles we got it. And what we know about angle sum property? Angle sum property says that sum of all these four angles should be 360 degree. It means 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x should be 360 degree. And what is the reason? Tell me, what is the reason? Angle sum property. This is looking like, see here, 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x equal to 360, angle sum property. Now I am going to add. Okay, 13 plus 9 is 22, 22 plus 5, 27 and 3, 30. 30x will come is equal to 360 degree. Here is 30x is equal to 360 degree. When we simplify, then you will get 360 upon 30, you will get 12 degree. Okay, 0 to 0 cut, 12 here 36. Then put value of this 12 here. Okay, 3 into 12, 36, 5 into 12, 60, 9 into 12 degree, 108 degree, 13 into 12 degree is 156 degree. And this is your answer. Yes, question number 2 of exercise 8.1. What is, if the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. Okay, this is the parallelogram ABCD. Its diagonals are AC and BD. Okay, and in a parallelogram, what we know, opposite sides are equal and parallel. See this, these two opposites are equal and parallel, and these two are also equal and parallel. What we have to show? It is a rectangle. For finding the rectangle, what we know, this any one angle is, if of parallelogram is 90 degree, then we can say this is your rectangle. For getting, I am taking two triangles. One triangle is ABC and second one is BAD. Okay. Now come on. What is given? ABCD is a parallelogram. Then opposite sides are equal, and these two diagonals are also equal. Okay. AC and BD, these two are the diagonals. Their diagonals are equal. What we have to show? ABCD is a rectangle, and what we have to show, one more thing, one angle is 90 degree. Okay, for that you have to show this. So I am taking two triangles. One triangle is ABC and second one is BAD. Okay, two triangles I am taking. It is very easy. See, in triangle ABC, just you see, one is AB equal to BA, common side. This is common side. Okay, this is side is. Okay, then take BC from here, BC. If this side BC, then this side here AD. BC is equal to AD. Again it is, now then you can say it is in given. And third, AC. AC is equal to BD. Diagonals are equal. AC is equal to BD. Diagonals are given equal in the question. See here, parallelograms diagonals are equal. The given condition it is given. Then what you can say, ABC is congruent to triangle BAD by SSS rule. But if these two triangles are congruent, then what is the meaning? angle ABC, angle ABC definitely equal to angle BAD by CPCT. Okay, and actually these two are which type of angles? ABC this angle and BAD this angle, these are actually your co-interior angles. Okay, this is a parallelogram. In parallelogram these two are co-interior angles. Okay, so and these two co-interior angles are equal. Let me take now angle ABC plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree. I am writing co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Okay. Now see, both are equal. So ABC as it is. So on place of BAD, this is your first. By first, what can I write on place of BAD? ABC. Twice of angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. Then what is the meaning? Angle ABC is equal to 180 degree upon 2, that is your 90 degree. Okay, that only we have to show. In any parallelogram, if one angle is right angle, then we can say it is a rectangle. There implies ABCD is a rectangle. Hence true. Yes, question number 3. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. Okay, ABCD is one quadrilateral and diagonal AC and BD bisect each other at 90 degree. What is meaning of bisect? OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. At right angle means 90 degree, all angles are 90 degree. This is your DOA. Okay, AOB equal to BOC equal to COD equal to DOA, that is 90 degree. What you have to show? ABCD is rhombus. It means you have to show all sides should be equal. Now I am going to show this. For that, I am taking two triangles AOB and AOD. Two triangles I am taking. Okay. First, it is very clear. It is AO equal to AO. AO equal to AO. This is your side, no? I can say common side. Okay. And second, I am taking angle. It is in given, no? AOB. Angle AOB should be equal to angle AOD. And it is given to you 90 degree in question, in given. Okay, this is your A. And what is the third thing? One more, I have to take side. Okay, so which side I have to take? C. This is OB equal to OD. Here is OB equal to OD. OB equal to OD. This is what? This is in given. Then what you can say? Triangle AOB should be congruent to triangle AOD by SAS rule. If both are congruent, then what is the meaning? AB will be equal to AD. Okay. And similarly, what you can write? If you take one another triangle, you can take AB equal to AC. You can get AB equal to AC. Okay. Or you can get BC equal to CD. Also, you can get BC equal to CD. Okay. You can get AD equal to DC also. It means you can get AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. So it means it is your ABCD is rhombus. Yes, come on. Question number 4. Show that diagonals of a square are equal and bisects each other at right angles. Okay, so ABCD is a square, and in a square what we know, all four sides are equal. Okay, you have to show diagonals are equal. You have to show AC equal to BD and bisects each other at right angle. It means OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD, and each angle is of 90 degree. Okay, three things you have to show. First of all, I am taking AAOB and triangle COD. Okay. In this one, see, this is vertically opposite angle. Angle AOB equal to angle AOD, COD. Okay. And one angle I am taking ABO. This angle. AABO. And CDO. This angle. Actually, this is your what? Alternate interior angle. This is alternate interior angle. One is vertically opposite, other one is this, and third one side is common over here. That is AB equal to CD, because of ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. Then what you can say, triangle AOB should be congruent to triangle COD by AAS rule. Okay. It means what is the meaning? You can say OB equal to OC. OB equal to here. OB equal to OD. OB equal to OD. Clearly, OB is equal to OD by CPCT, and OA equal to OC also. OA equal to OC. What is the reason? By CPCT. Okay, if OB equal to OD, OA equal to OC, its meaning is what? Its meaning is diagonals bisects each other. There implies AC and BD bisects at O. Okay. Now what we have to show, the other thing, you have to show AOB and COB. See here. AOB and COB you take this. Okay. In AOB and COB, just you see AOB. AO equal to, sorry, I am taking OA. If I take OA equal to OC by here, by first. Okay. OA equal to OC. Here OB equal to OB. OB equal to OB. Common side. Okay, common side. And what is the third one? AB equal to what? AB equal to CB. AB equal to CB. This is what? Because ABCD is a square. Okay, all these three are what? These three are sides. Okay, then what we can say? Triangle AOB, this will be congruent to triangle COB. Okay, by SSS rule. Then angle AOB will be equal to COB by CPCT. Okay, AOB equal to COB by CPCT. Then if these two are equal, then what is the meaning? Now take angle AOB plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. This is linear pair. Okay, AOB keep as it is. On place of COB, what I am writing? AOB, because of here by 2. This is 180 degree. Then AOB and AOB what? This is twice of AOB is equal to 180 degree. So AOB will be 180 degree upon 2. That is 90 degree. So yes, now we have to show diagonals of square are equal. Third thing, one more thing we have to show. For that I am taking two triangles. One triangle just you see, that is ABC. Now I am taking triangle ABC and triangle BAD. Just this we have done in previous question also. Okay, but in this one information is given to you because this is a square. If this is a square, then angle A and angle B should be 90 degree. Then directly you can show AB equal to BA. This is given because this is a square, this is side. Then one angle you take, angle A equal to angle B, 90 degree. Okay, that we know because it is a square. This is also in given. And what is the third? Third, BC equal to AD. BC equal to AD. Okay, because ABCD is a square, opposite sides are equal, all sides are equal actually. Then what we can say? Then you can say triangle ABC should be congruent to triangle BAD by SAS rule. And what is the meaning? If these two are equal, then I can say AC equal to BD. It means diagonals of square are equal, bisects each other at 90 degree. This is showing the bisect thing. All three things are proved. This is very important question.